Today's video tutorial is on the Mailbox. The Mailbox provides unlimited simultaneous access to 45,000 worksheets, crafts, forms, songs, games, graphic organizers, patterns, clip art, cards, and more for children pre-K up to children in grades 4 through 6. The Mailbox is available 24/7 with a lesson plan builder, a section to make your own flashcards, print whole packets, as well as offering a ton of seasonal and themed ideas, crafts, and more. Subjects include language arts, math, social studies, science, classroom management, and arts and crafts. This tutorial covers logging into the Mailbox and exploring the tools on the site. So you'll want to get started by logging into the library website at unioncountylibraries.org. When the page loads, you're going to scroll down to Online Services. Here you will see a collection of icons of all the online services, and you're going to click on the Mailbox. If you're logging into the Mailbox from within a Union County library, it's going to take you straight to the landing page. If you are logging into the Mailbox from home or from somewhere outside of the library, it's going to ask for a barcode, and what it's asking for is your library card number. So you can find your library card number on the back of your key fob or on the back of the card, and you're going to enter the entire library card number without spaces. And you'll click Sign In. And this is the landing page you will see when you log in. At the top, you'll see a Browse button, which you can browse by grade, subject, or popular searches. Under My Mailbox, you'll see Collections, My Print Packet, Calendar, and My Lesson Plans. All of these require a My Mailbox login, which we'll do shortly. There's also Make and Print Tools and Lesson Plan Builder. If we scroll down on the page, you're going to see where it says February issue and January issue. The Mailbox has a magazine that's associated with it. So here you can get the current issues and you can look through by grade level. Or if you're looking for a past issue, you can look at the Mailbox archive and find those there. Also over here to the right are quick links. So if you're looking for something particular or you know exactly where you need to go, you can click those. And if you scroll down, you'll see theme content that's broken out by grade level. So we're going to start off by creating a My Mailbox login. So up here at the top right corner, you'll click that. And a pop-up box will come up and you'll have an option to create an account. So you'll enter an email address, a password of your choice. You'll confirm that password and select a grade. Or if you're already registered, you can sign in. So I already registered. And click Continue. Now when you create an account, you will automatically get an email which will come out usually at the first of the month giving you some of the new content that's on the Mailbox. So I just want you to be aware that you're automatically entered for that. So when you sign in, based upon the grade level that you chose, the landing page will change and it's going to show you content that's related to that grade level. So I put in kindergarten when I registered, so all of the content here is now updated to kindergarten. If, for example, maybe you have two kids, one that's in kindergarten, maybe one that's in first grade, you can change the grade level that you're seeing over here to the right, so we can click first grade, and you'll see that the content now is updated to show that. So you'll see new stuff for first grade, popular items. You also see the make and print tools, which include a bingo board maker, card maker, instant form, spelling list maker, math tools, language arts tools. And then if you spend any time at all putting collections together, you'll see that information listed here. So we'll start by looking at collections. So I created two just so you can see what it looks like. If you click on one, it'll show the content that's already been added. Each item, when it's listed, has buttons across the top that allow you to add it to another collection, add it to a calendar so you can schedule these activities out. You can print the packet, print just the activity, download, and also delete this from your collection. So let's do a search at the top page and we'll search for something to add to the collection. So when you do a search, the items will show up on the right and then off to the left will be filter options. So you can filter by grade, by curriculum, by type. So I will select an item to add. So when you click on an item, it will give you the same buttons that you see in your collection. So you can print, add to a collection, calendar, print packet, download, and add notes. You'll also see the grade level, curriculum area, Common Core labels, as well as the skills associated with this activity. and then if there's a description, it will be listed below. So if I wanted to add this to a collection, I'll click on the folder, and here you'll see either collections I've already created, or you can create a new collection. So I'll add it to one I already have, and I'll click Add. So it'll let me know at the top that it's been successfully added. And then when I go into Collections, and now you'll see that that activity has been added. So now we'll take a look at Make and Print tools. So you'll see that there's a list of Make and Print tools, so a card maker, bingo, board maker, math tools, instant forms. There's a lot to cover here. I can't cover all of these in this tutorial, but I encourage you to explore. So we'll take a look at card maker just so you can see the selection options you have. So with a lot of these, you have a layout choice. You can choose usually a border. You can also choose a font, a size of the font, and a color. And then you can enter the text that you want, let's say on these flashcards. You're also able to add a page of cards. And then when you're done with all of these selections, you hit Create, and it will give you a PDF that you can save and download and also print out. So I encourage you to explore. There's a lot of tools here that might be helpful for you. The other thing we'll look at is Lesson Plan Builder. So here you'll also get a set of selections that will sort of narrow down the content that you'll want in your lesson plan. So we'll start with first grade, and we'll use the Common Core Standard. So you'll see there's a lot of selections here. You'll want to choose those that will apply to you. And then it gives you an option to include a name, a school, and a date. You can also add a border and change the font. And then when you're ready, you choose View Lesson Plans. This does take sometimes a few minutes to load. What it's doing is it's taking the selections and going out and pulling activities that match those selections to create a lesson plan. So when it loads, you'll see you'll have a page in here that'll give you some information about some of the selections you made. You can download, save it to My Plans, and also edit. You can also preview the activities that were pulled, and you can also add activities of your choice. So once you've made all those selections and you're happy with your lesson plan, you can save it or you can download to print it. When you're done, you can select the mailbox icon up here to the left, and this will take you back to your landing page so you can make other selections. I hope you found this tutorial of the mailbox helpful. If you need assistance using the mailbox, you can set up a free one-on-one tech assistance appointment by calling your local Union County Library. This video will be archived on the library's website, unioncountylibraries.org/tutorials, and uploaded to the Union County Library System PA YouTube channel.